So in this video we are going to learn about the experiment number 3. So experiment number 1 and 2 I have given videos of experiment number 1 and 2. Study and perform the basic feedback control system. Second experiment is related to study the various test signal generator and plot the graph of each signal. And the third is to find out the transfer function of the system with the block diagram reduction method using MATLAB program. You are knowing very well about how to reduce the block diagram and find out the transfer function using block diagram reduction method. This can be done with the help of MATLAB programming. So today we are going to learn basic commands related to your block diagram reduction method. Okay, so there are two or three sub parts are there in which we are going to learn how we can make the series connection, parallel connection, series and parallel connection who are combinedly connected in series, negative feedback control system and positive feedback control system. Okay, so I will be taking first part in which two blocks are connected in series. So as you can see over here, this block number 1, let us say this block number is G1, is having a transfer function of s plus 14 divided by s plus 9, and G2 s minus 5 divided by s minus 9. They are connected in series and we want to find out the transfer function of the system. Okay, for that what we have to do, we have to take the help we have to take the help of MATLAB. Okay, so I am opening the MATLAB. That is, I think all of you are aware about this MATLAB and its interface. So whenever we want to write any kind of a script, I will click on this new script. So it will be saving, it will be having some editor over here. Okay, and if I'm having editor, I need to save it this file. So I will be saving over here. Okay, let us say EE255 exp1. Okay, E255 exp, that is, I'm saving it now. In this I need to write, so before writing any particular program, I will again writing clc clear all, which will delete uh, all the variables which are saved in the MATLAB. So this is the general practice that we are following. Now we need to enter this value, but if I'm entering this value, MATLAB will ask what is s. Okay, because we have not defined s. So I will be dividing this particular part in two parts, that is a numerator part and the denominator part. Okay, so the numerator of G1 and the denominator of G1, numerator of G2 and denominator of G2. So I will be entering this as array. Okay, so you will be having this one. Okay, they will be having a second, means first coefficient, second coefficient, and it is a third coefficient. Okay, so I will be writing in this manner. I will take one variable whose name is ng1, that is numerator of g1. Okay, in the square bracket I will write s plus 14. So coefficient of s is nothing but 1 and the constant is 14. So I will write 1 14. Okay, and I have to write dg1, that is denominator of g1. So it is what? It is s plus 9. So I will write 1 9. Okay, similarly for ng2 is equal to, we have to write 1 minus 5. Okay, and similarly for dg2 I have to write s minus 9. So it will be 1 minus 9. Okay, so suppose if I am running it, it will give me some values. You can run it like this. Okay, I have to click on add to path. So it will show in this manner. Okay, ng1 dg1 ng2 dg2 in this manner. Okay, now I want to have series connection of G1 and G2. So the command for this is series. Okay, so what is the syntax of this series command? So before that I need to save the answer. So I'll be taking one other variable, num1 comma den1. Okay, is equal to series of what? series of ng1, dg1, ng2, dg2. Okay, so this is going to be saved in this variable. Numerator is going to be saved in numerator 1 and denominator is going to be saved in denominator. Okay, so for that we have two uh, we have two blocks, that is G1 and G2. So I will be having this configuration. So now I'm running this part. Okay, so if I'm running this, it will be giving this value. Okay, numerator of G1 and denominator of G. Okay, so these are nothing but the series connection of this. If you are making a series connection, that means a multiplication, so it will be like this. Numerator of G1 and the numerator of G2 is going to be multiplied, so s plus 14 into s minus 15, so it will be s square plus you will be having 9. Okay, so you will be having 9 and 14 into 5, that is minus 70. So you have got this. Similarly for the denominator part. Now I want the answer in terms of a s. Okay, so again MATLAB is providing this facility. Okay, system 1, I am taking one another variable. System 1 is equal to tf. Tf is nothing but the transfer function. We want to convert the transfer function, so it will be considered as a tf. Tf of what? Num1 comma then 1. So whatever the answer which is saved over here, it is going to be converted in terms of a transfer function. So I am running it. Okay, if I am running it, I will be getting system 1 is equal to s square plus 9s minus 70 divided by s square minus 81. So you can take any value of G1 and G2 and you can get the answer of series connection. So this is the first part. In the first part, two blocks are connected in series. In the second part, two blocks are connected in parallel. So there will be some summing point over here. Okay, for that what we have to do, again we have to write the program, but I will be continuing over here. Okay, this is the G1 block, this is your G2 block. Over here I am making some changes. G1 and G2 nahi, G3 and G4 I am taking. G3 block and G4 block are connected in parallel. So what I will do, I will again take this. Okay, and I will rename this as a ng3. It will be dg3. It will be dg2. It will be dg3. It will be dg3. What are the values? What are the values? The values are s minus 10, s plus 10. So it will be minus 10, s minus 11, and in the denominator it is s minus 10. Next one is s minus 1000 and s minus 1. Okay, so we have this ng3 dg3 sorry, and ng4 and dg4. This is your g3 block and this is your g4 block. Okay, I need to connect these two in a parallel. So again I will take some variable. Okay, so this variable name I am taking num2 comma den2. So they are going to be saved in these two variables. Okay, command for parallel is parallel into bracket which connection we want. So this ng3 comma dg3 comma ng4 comma dg4. Okay, done. Now I want answer in terms of a transfer function. So system 2 is equal to tf into bracket what, num2 comma then 2. Okay, so it will give me the answer. Okay, right now the first part is over, so I'm not I don't want answer. Okay, so I'm just hiding the answer by making the semicolon after each command. Okay, so okay, so again I'm running it. So if I'm running it, you can see the answer over here, that is ng3 dg3 ng4 dg4 num2 den2 we have got, and system number 2 is this. Okay, so if you are making the parallel connection, you will be getting this. Okay, so this is regarding your parallel connection. Right now I don't want further answer, so I'm making it semicolon, so the answer is getting will not be displayed. Now it is the second part. The third part is what? G1 block and G2 block are connected in series. G3 block and G4 block are connected in parallel, and this combination are connected in series. Okay, so I'm not taking this value, I will be taking the values which I have taken earlier only. That means G1 is equal to whatever I have written, G2. Okay, G1 I am taking this one, G1, G2, G3 and G4 I am taking this one. Okay, and this two connection should be in this manner. Okay, these two are in parallel, these two are in series, and again whatever the answer are coming, these two should be in series. So what for that, what I will do, I will be having num1 dan1. Okay, that is the answer of series connection. Num2 dan2, answer of parallel connection. Okay, for that what I have to do, I have to create one another variable num3 then 3. Okay, is equal to what? Series connection of first answer, that is num1, then 1 comma second answer of parallel, that is num2 then 2. Done. I want this answer as a system 3 is equal to tf into bracket what? Num3 then 3. Okay, now again I will be running it. Okay, so it will give me the value of num3 and then 3 and final answer. Okay, so this G1 and G2 are connected in series, G3 and G4 are connected in parallel, and we have made connected this answer and this answer in series. Okay, so this is the third part, like this. Now the fourth part is what? G1 and G2 are connected in series, G3 and G4 are connected in parallel. They are connected with one feedback with positive sign. એટલે અહીંયા જે error detector or summing point આવશે એમાં positive sign. Okay, the new block is added over here, that is HS. Okay, now there will be another command because we are having the answer saved of series, answer saved of parallel also, but we don't have any kind of a HS. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we have to take one another input. Okay, input is HS is equal to s plus 8 s plus 6, whatever the things I want to take. Okay, so what I will do, I will take numerator of h1. I will take numerator of h1 is equal to, let us say it is 1 6, denominator of h1 is equal to 1 7, this two. Okay, now I need to connect this answer in a feedback manner. Command for feedback is what? Simple feedback, but again I have to save it, so I am saving in num4 then 4. Okay, is equal to command for feedback is feedback into bracket which connection I have to do. Okay, that means this series connection, that is num1 then 1, sorry, num1 comma then 1 comma num2 comma then 2 comma nh1 comma dh1. Okay, comma for positive feedback control system I will be using this concept, that is plus 1. Okay, again I want answer in terms of s, so I will use system is 4 is equal to tf num4 then 4. Now I will be running it. Okay, so there is an error because I can't take this num1 d1, so it is my mistake. So I will be taking I don't need to write this num1 den1, already the answers are saved in num3 and den3, so I will be writing num3 comma den3. Okay, comma, that is the answer of your series and parallel connection over here, and then nh1 dh1 and plus. So if I'm running it, okay, so this will be your nh1 dh1 num4 den4 and your system answer. Okay, it is for positive feedback control system, that means the sign of this error detector or the feedback, it is positive. Okay, fifth one is your sign feedback with the negative sign. Okay, so there is a small change over here. Okay, I'm taking this only, that is nh1 and dh1. Okay, let us try to see the other side. Let us say we'll be having nh2 and dh2 whose transfer function is, I'm sorry, it will be 5 and 4. Okay, then again I will be taking one another variable. Okay, so this variable is name is num5 then 5 feedback. Okay, feedback num3 then 3 nh2 dh2. Okay, I will write -1. Okay, for negative feedback control system, and then I have to write what, system 5 is equal to transfer function of num5 then 5. Okay, I will be making some comments over here, sorry, comma over here to hide the answer, because I need a final answer only. So it will be this one, and this answer. I'm running it. If I'm running it, the answer I will be getting is, that is nh2 dh2 num5 then 5, and the answer is this. Okay, so this is your minus negative feedback control system. Now see what is the answer you are getting. Final answer you are getting 2s raised to 5 minus 996 s raised to 5 and something. Okay, just note it down. Now see what are the other answers we are getting. Suppose I'm not writing anything over here, sorry, not over here, I'm not writing over here, a minus કર્યું છે, I'm deleting. Now again running. If I'm running, I'll be getting same answer. There is a no change. What does that mean? Syntax for your feedback command is what? Okay, you will be having your forward part transfer function num3 den3 and feedback part transfer function. If you are having a negative feedback control system, either you can write -1 or nothing. If it is positive feedback control system, you have to write +1. Remember, if you are having a positive feedback control system, you have to write +1. If you don't have, if you are having a negative feedback control system, either you can write -1, or either I can write -1, or I will not write anything. Okay, if I'm writing -1 and if I'm not writing anything, the same answer I will be getting. Okay, so this syntax you need to remember, that is feedback. Okay, so this is regarding your experiment number 3. So by doing this experiment, we have learned about the various commands of series, parallel and feedback connection, and uh, we can compute any kind of a transfer function with the help of block diagram reduction in the MATLAB program. Thank you.